Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today we're changing an engine mount. There's the number for that engine mount right there. It's upside down. Of course it is. There it is. It's an SKP motor mount. So I'll show that to you. But first we got to get the old one out. And that is right down there at the bottom. I don't know if you can see down there. There's 4 bolts holding in that engine bolt, or should I say nuts, holding in that engine mount. And we got to come from the right side and get through here. Well, there it is right there. Look at it. It's in terrible shape. Had a bit of a leak going on. Might have to fix that one day too. But you can see there's 2 nuts at the top. And there should be 2 at the bottom, but one broke off. But this engine mount is very, very mushy now. So, yeah, it's just not going to work. So, we got to take care of it and get a new one in there. So, let's get to her. Well, I think I'm going to spray those nuts off. And I'm going to use my brake clean here. I'll get in as close as I can. That's not bad. That works. There we go. And yeah, I think I got her. You're in the way, but we'll see what I can do here. So, get her on. Oh, these are nice and they're not torqued down too tight. Oh, yeah. Those are really nice. So, I have to move my chair here. There we go. Grab my cordless and go at her. I gotta move you for a second. Darn. And there we go. Get you moved. Not that hard of a job. At least that's what I say right now. Alright, I got those. And my camera fell. I really gotta adjust that. So I'll try to get the bottom one here. I had to go to a long 15. Oh, maybe. Well, that one seems to be a different size. So let me check that out. Well, I couldn't get you in there to get the bottom one, but the bottom one was an 18mm bolt. The tops were 15. So now I gotta lift the engine and see if I can sneak that out. I need like an inch and a bit to get this all out. So let's see how good I can do here with the jack. Am I lifting? I don't think I am. Oh, I must be stuck on something. Okay. Well, let's try that again. Get the jack down. Move it over. Try again. And I'm not getting her to move again. What the heck's going on here? Well, I did get her up, and there she is. Look at that. See if I can get her. Oh yeah, she'll come out. Nice. Oh, what a wreck. Well, I'm going to have to scrape away and clean up a little down there and then put the new one in. Yes. So I got her cleaned up as good as I'm going to get her. This only goes in a certain way, so there it is. Pretty sure it goes in this way, and I'm turning my camera. Let me get the camera in a better spot. Nope, still not in a good spot. Well, there we go. I got her in. Just by chance, I had it in the right spot. So, that's a bonus. Doing this without looking. I can't duck in there and get it done because the camera's in the way. So, just, blindly going. got those two in. Got to get the bottom two in. Well, let's tighten these up for now. One. Let me get this thing off of here. Two. And I got to switch her over to 18 mil for the bottom ones. So you torque these two, as from what I could tell, 45 foot-pounds. I'm pretty sure that's the standard. I could just find 45 in my book. So I'm just going to torque them all to 45. So there we are. We're all done. Got them all torqued. It was too hard to have the torque wrench in here. And you guys in here too. But I got her done. And wow. That was a lot easier than I thought. Took about 30 minutes total time. 30 minutes. But hope you enjoyed. And you see the old one was pretty... very soft rubber and everything. It's pretty damaged. I lost there was one of the studs was gone. So it was kind of bouncing around a little in the front. So I got a new one on there. I hope this one will last more than 5 years like the last one. Thanks for watching.